Today I'm making walnut twist buns or nests for my friend. These came out so good. I was shocked. Starting with 3 cups of walnuts, 4 tablespoons of sugar, and half teaspoon cinnamon. Put the lid on. I forgot to plug it in. Food processor. I love this machine. I think it's from KitchenAid. Love it. And then 3 tablespoons of butter, and then you're gonna have like a paste texture. That's what you want. We're gonna put this aside, and we got puff pastry dough. I'm sorry it's blurry on this part. I don't know what happened, but it will get better in a bit. And then we're gonna spread the walnut mixture on top. Usually puff pastries come with 2 layers of puff pastry. I love the one from Trader Joe's. And then top it off with some honey to give it some extra sweetness and extra little flavor. Add as much as you want or none at all if that's what you like, and then cover it with the second layer of puff pastry. Now put this back in the fridge so it gets cold, because it will be so much easier to twist when the puff pastry is cold. That's what I've learned here, because when I was cutting it got a little warm, a little room temperature, and it was a little hard to twist, but I put it back in the fridge and it was so much easier. So once you cut it about half an inch thick each slice, I was pressing it down because it was getting room temperature and it would not stay together. So you're just gonna twist both ends at the same time, making it so much faster. This is so easy because you hide the end of it on the bottom, so even if it doesn't look right, it still looks right. Look at that. It just like that, twist it and then put it on the bottom. Beautiful. And when it bakes, it turns out so good. I usually bake these at 370 for about 25 minutes, but I have a very strong oven. I just moved, so I bake these for maybe like 18 minutes. But just keep an eye until it's gold, and then it's ready, and then just brush up with some egg wash and ready to bake. It came out so crunchy. It was still sizzling, and then I just brushed it with maple syrup. It gave it a shine and a little extra sweetness. It was so good. I took it to my friends and they were eating it for breakfast for the next 2 days. It came out so tasty. The next time I want to try this with pistachio. I think that would be very tasty as well, and then maybe add some extra flavoring to it as well. So super easy, very cheap and quick to make.